2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as four-wheel drive, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, brake actuated limited slip differential, cruise control. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.